some chocolate chip cookies today. And it is not the morning, it is the afternoon. These boys are already home from school. What did you guys do the second you got home from school?
Jamie's.
They said, can we put pajamas on? And I said, go for it, boys. Be comfy. So here's our finished dough. Let's get rolling cookies, okay?
Okay.
You want to help us? I'm gonna give you all a scoop of cookie dough.
Roll out.
You're gonna roll it in your hand like a ball. Okay, try not to get it all over your fingers, just roll it. Don't get it on your fingers, Coco, honey. That has raw eggs in it, okay? Just in the palm of your hand, don't get it all over your fingers. Percy? You're just in the palm of your hand.
Okay.
Okay, 1 second. Okay, roll it like this. Just like this in between your hands. Okay, Coco, did you roll yours out? Let's put it right here.
I got flat for some reason.
Oh, yep. Percy, that's a great one. Can you put it right here for Mom? That looks so good. Coco, you gotta spread them out a little bit more. Guys, those look so good. How's it going, baby? You're doing so good. Thanks, buddy. You guys are such great help. Yep, step back because it's really hot. Awesome. Now close it. Oops. So how was your guys' day at school? Tiny, did you have a good relaxing day with Mom? It was like a perfect combination of a day. We relaxed, but we got stuff done.
Perfect
So
day.
good. Perfect day. Okay, so Mommy was thinking, because what month is it?
August. Just kidding. November.
And what have we been doing over there on that giant chalkboard?
Thankful.
We've been focusing on what we're thankful for. Huh?
Gratitude tree.
Yeah. I was thinking it'd be fun to take some cookies to someone that we're grateful for.
Like Nana, Auntie.
Nana and Auntie. Those are two really good people to take cookies to. You want one too? There will be plenty for us to have some, but it's fun to take some to people too, huh? See, guess what? Even though you're super impatient and a little dramatic, I'm so grateful for you. And I'm so grateful for you. And you. See what I'm talking about? And you.
I'm grateful for you guys and Mom.
Thank you.
Yeah. And
Honey, what's the matter? You just want the cookies? Yeah, I know. The struggle, huh? Smelling that yumminess?
I'm grateful for Sammy too.
Sammy? You are? You guys, Thanksgiving is 2 weeks from today. That means the day after Thanksgiving, so only like 2 weeks away, Sammy comes back.
Yay.
Is that crazy?
Yeah, when it's not Christmas.
Mm-hmm.
Yay.
So for those of you who don't know, Sammy is our elf that visits our family every year around Christmas time. He always shows up about the day after Thanksgiving, and then he's just so much fun to have around our house. You guys are always so sad when he goes back to the North Pole, huh?
And Sammy moves.
He does move, huh?
We made him a house. We caught him moving his eyes like, on camera.
Dad caught it on camera,
No,
huh?
I did.
Oh yeah, that was you who...
2 times in a row.
That was awesome.
Yeah, like Sammy would be sitting in a tree and I would, and we were filming a video, and then Dad had his tripod and it was high up in the tree, so I moved it over there and clicked record, and I went away for a few minutes, and then
Hang on,
it
honey.
winked. He winked.
He did wink, huh?
Yeah,
He's the best
and
elf.
the other one and I can wink looking at us.
Oh, show me again. Show me how you wink. Oh, Kenzie K. Okay, show me how you wink. That's a great wink, Tiny Bean. I love you guys.
Oh, cookies. Cookies.
You know what they have me excited for?
No, I don't know it. Super Bowl food. That's what I think.
Super Bowl food.
Super Bowl
They have me excited
That
for
makes you jump.
all the holiday
Super Bowl
baking.
food that makes you
With
jump.
Thanksgiving,
Super
Christmas,
Bowl.
we bake so much. Hang on, Sissy.
Okay.
Okay, but if Sammy's coming back soon, what do we need to do?
Be nice.
We need to make sure we're being extra good, huh?
Don't much like that. Don't drop that dun. Hey, don't drop that dun.
Oh my goodness. Okay, cuties, moment of truth. Grab a cookie. Grab a cookie. Tell me if it's yummy. Grab one, you two.
The fat one.
Are they good?
A little hot.
A little hot. Sissy, oh, is it hot? We got hot. Is it yummy, Tiny? Good.
I think they would want too much chocolate. We are. I don't know what that says. Thankful for you. I was right. No, it's the same. This looks a little different.
Okay, so we've decided we are going to drop some cookies off to Nana and Papa and our next door neighbor, Aunt Teeny. So I just wrote, "We are thankful for you," in a little card, and then I'm gonna have you guys decorate it with me. Okay? Pink. Okay, just do like a heart or something, but leave room for your brothers, okay? We're not gonna write our name though, we're gonna keep it a secret. So just draw a heart. Okay, smiley face, that's perfect. You're silly, sis.
She spanks her butt.
I love it, Tiny. That's so good.
Teeth.
Oh yeah. Good job. Okay, draw one on this one. Those are good hearts, Cars. Way to go, buddy. Look how good Carson's hearts are. Good work, bud. You are artistic. Okay, Cokes my goats, what are you gonna go with?
Cookie Moon.
What?
And it has a bite at the end of it.
Okay.
So we need to do this. Oh, that's a bad one.
Nope, I think that looks awesome. That looks great.
That's a bad one. I forgot how to do it, but you're supposed to go like around.
It looks awesome.
Maybe I could do it like a guy.
Oh yeah, that looks awesome. A cookie with a bite taken out of it. You guys are so talented. I love it.
Cookie.
All right, you guys, we have finished making our little gratitude treats and we got our cookie mess cleaned up. That feels so good. Sometimes, especially when I'm pregnant, I am too exhausted to clean up immediately after doing all the cooking and prep, but I have found that it is much easier to just get it done than to let it sit here, and then like waking up to it in the morning is the worst. So I've been trying really, really hard to go to bed with an empty sink. I think dishes are like one of those chores that I really, really don't like. And I kind of like will put it off because I don't want to do it. So I have found, and just in the last couple weeks, if I just do it the second the dish is put in there, then it doesn't build up, and then it's just done. And it just, I don't know, waking up the last few mornings with an empty kitchen sink has made all the difference for me. As weird as that may sound, I don't know if that makes any sense to any of you, but it's been working for me. So we got our treats made, we got our mess all cleaned up, and now we are just waiting for Cody to get home. Then we will make some dinner, eat as a family, and then deliver our treats.
What's up, guys? I have made it home, and I hear that somebody's been making some cookies they want to go deliver. So what do you think? Should we go deliver them? Okay. And someone else over here is making some yummy dinner.
Tacos.
Tacos. Well, me and the boys are gonna go deliver some cookies. First up, our neighbor and team. Let's just run over there, guys. Secret mission, come on, guys. that. Yummy.
We're
Babe.
fancy. We're eating
Yummy.
taco.
I feel like you can never go wrong with tacos. It's like, just, it's taco. You gotta love it.
Gotta love it.
Yeah, because I know this babe loves tacos.
Whoop, whoop. My belly is heavy. Boom.
Have you been eating crayons? Let me see.
Never.
Never, huh? Open your mouth again. Open up. Show me your
In the
tongue.
world, why would you eat crayons?
Dude, no eating crayons.
We eat food.
Really
But
cute.
I love food.
You do love food?
I should put
So you promise you haven't been eating crayons? You haven't? You sure about that?
Never.
Not a green one?
It's a
Sure?
blue. No, it's a
Open your mouth. Oh, gotcha! Caught green-tongued.
Okay, we just finished eating dinner, and Dakota and I are gonna quickly run this plate of cookies up to Nana and Papa's. Shh, don't tell them, it's a secret. Okay, we just got to their house. Coda's nervous about being caught. So there he goes. He's so nervous. Good job, good job. We got away. You did it.
Oh yeah.
We got away without being caught.
I was like, put it down. I was like, and then the door just opened, and then we drive away.
Okay, get your seatbelt on, cutie. Stuff like this is so fun. I just got home from delivering those cookies, and my daughter looks like the Grinch.
That's my sister.
Hey. Did you enjoy those avocados? Did you enjoy those avocados?
Dad.
Oh my goodness. Look at your eyebrows. Silly girl.
I realized we didn't give you much of an update on the whole pipe situation outside, so I actually just got out there, fixed it all, and everything should be good. Turned the water off for the winter. The water burst in the pipe because it froze, and we hadn't flushed it out yet. So hopefully everything is good for now. I'll look more into it in the summer next year when we turn it back on, make sure it's all gonna be fixed. But for now, we are gonna go watch a movie solo. Not alone, but Star Wars solo. I know we're like way late to the game here. Like, way late. But we gotta do our grateful tree stuff. So, Coda, what you grateful for?
School and my teacher.
School and your teacher? Nice. Kenny, what you grateful for? Okay. Cars?
Sports.
Sports. That's a good one. Babe?
I am grateful for good neighbors, especially after yesterday. And I feel like we have like exceptional neighbors. So
Yeah, we do.
grateful for
Kenyon,
you.
how about you?
Papa, that's the friend.
Carson and friends? Nice. And I am grateful for cars or vehicles. Just, I don't know, I can't imagine going back like a couple hundred years and just riding on your horse places. I don't know, it's just transportation. You can get place to place super fast, and it's awesome. But we are gonna call it a night. We got a movie to watch. We're gonna have a good night. Guys, we love you, and we will see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Okay, you did it. Oh, it just got way dark.
So you promise you haven't been eating crayons? You haven't? You sure about that?
Never.
Not a green one?
It's a
Sure?
blue. No, it's a green.
Open your mouth. Oh, gotcha!
It's a green.